Tunwa. Ankebe Tunwa. Migdonyama Afenyo Kombe by election. We are ready for that. If you are not respecting the police, what I will do by election is constituency.
Police station. Dear question, Asem, come here. Nekupa ta soba tuani ka be bonu za ko duani onu ebi secretary ka be bonu ni ko
Obisafo nyamesha bibia me dindi no gopo artist aha ye Ghana Asem TV. Basira se obe subscribe to the channel no fa ba dwetire ba comment section. Ye be come out fefefe. Obisafo me si anopa tutututu we e wa Akwatia enye fe. Niama na ekoso Akwatia anopa we di chale enye fefefe krasi. Afina 9 ekwakobo na abo 9 ekwakobo 10. Me si tension na egu Akwatia no. Yesre mu yesre NDC yesre MPP mu nyena ye nipa ba ho ni aboye no it is nasty. Me see abusafo ade na nasty, which is very very bad for the democracy of this country. Anka NDC for anka mo twi Ghana peace ho anka sa by election we anka mo bo Akwatia, but because of my Jim Bonin intino, you people went ahead to conduct this by election. Mushe anopa tutu we mushe de ekoso anopa tutu we mushe de ekoso ate say you people have plans say mubeye sa kosianu we nyina wo Akwatia yesremo yes obusafo my nkoti na papa bi so alaji bi say Afenyo Mankins want take time a by election or the constituency, which is threats and by this time MPP need a cast somewhere and kayachino basa papa still on nante or the soon nanti or honeymoon or say Afenyo Mankin who Afenyo Makina also uhuna ombe kunu sanoka abusa from man and question video number.
We understand that Afenyo Mankin was here.
Because of him, where we come here.
You came here because of Afenyo Mankin.
We don't do by election in hometown.
Why? Why did you come here because of Afenyo Mankin?
Fiang, why did you want here? Is it NDC? Is it NDC secretary?
What did you want here?
Is it NDC secretary? You are coming to our office to do what in our office? Asa, you people are journalists, talk to them. Here is not the parliament that way they do. No, here is a freedom field. Well,
Chairman Azoka clearly unhappy and irate. Chairman Azoka, well, he says he's not taking it lightly. He actually said that he came here to meet Afenyo Mankin Square, who allegedly stormed the NDC office in Akwatia to remove some of their posters, and it's a really tensious atmosphere here. The process has largely been peaceful until this incident. A number of the party supporters have all thrown here at the party office in Akwatia.
In this matter of yes, Omadi you all the parent papa. I know why I say how you want to be parent papa. In the hair any bear and a police for ready. Omoba no omo fa mo kan journey. Omoba na ma be tie ni pa. Police convoy. Yes. Oma be tie. Any bear no match no. Yenti. Wanya shi onu what you ba bi. Ana omo be parent papa. Aka ya ne kope omo tapa ya support kola no. Yeah, advice here say more people go penta kwa obi be on top there obi defend me. So that's here. Ndo mo ba hono no. Omo say there mo mo dey fanta kwa mba omo nko. Hey ni na mo ba ya mo be che nkola no bio. Eni ba do so na wache. Mo ba ko.
All right. So relax. We've just seen.
Okay, so we'll go to
somebody.
Mawenai Beta for a latest from one of those polling stations.
Justice Kodia, and then for and Abaha, and Omuwa process. But as a Santa here to Abaha, it's the end of the NTL, Omabaha, Omuwa process. Yeah, you go for Gobia, says here, what's in his ordinary, only Baroya. Onya Fumtobia, Onya Fumtobia, Onya Fumtobia. Yeah, happy before the person you say, Omu person, yeah, has some road, Omu to fear and panic. And Maya, Natasha, and you know, Abegua say, no more Diamu, Ajumom. Olùbọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀yẹ́ ṣe ọ̀fọ̀ nìsan kò bí a ti mi wú di etí a ọmú putu fi hàn panic àmọ́ ẹ̀ justice kódìánu àbá ẹni ọ̀nà ní nkúrọ̀fọ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀ wà process bẹ́ẹ̀ process tó yẹ yẹ̀wíyẹ abatuọ̀ náà ẹ̀nẹ́ yẹ̀ bá bẹ̀ tó bẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀sọ́ wood ètò ọmú pẹ̀tọ́ ọmú putu fi hàn panic báyìí ẹ̀dẹ́nu because ọ̀nyẹ́ ṣì ẹ̀dẹ́nu mami ntí o náà wọ́n ha sè ní jìnnà ha bí ẹ̀ nà sí.
mpatsɔ bebree na yɛ firi ne se ɛna ɛbɛ gyina ha eti yɛ gyina ha ne na ɛhu cars ɔmo cars no ba ɛna yɛ bra baako ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo srɛ ɔmo na ɔmo kasa kyerɛ ɔmo kurɔfoɔ no ɛyɛ ɔmo wae yɛ posters no eti ɔmo kasa kyerɛ ɔmo kurɔfoɔ no yɛbɛhu ana kaa baako akɛfo ɔde speed ba ɛɛba abɛbɔ yɛ ɛna yɛ dwa ne kɔ aha no mu eti ɔmo pie firi kaa no mu na ɔmo start attack yɛ boys no ɛna ntakwa no start yɛ nti yɛ sa no na yɛ suro na yɛ kɔ wura maame wei store ho nti ne yɛsi yɛ no no.
So now from what we understand, from what we understand, I'll come to you. Relax. I'll come to you. From what we understand, the police in one of these trucks have picked up a supporter of the NDC. They say that there was a misunderstanding of some sort brought about by the removal of posters belonging to the NDC. They attempted to stop them. The police swooped in and picked up one individual who is their supporter. You were here. You say what happened. And by the way, now this is just the NDC's office here. This is the NDC's office at Akwatia. This is the party office of the NDC at Akwatia right now, where all of the development has been happening at. We were on our way to another polling station when we chanced on the police swooping in, and there's a video as well which we can show to viewers. But let's try and get a bit more from people as to what may have happened. Boss, come to me. You were here. Yes. What happened? Be as accurate as you can as to what happened.
You don't have a problem. Actually, we're in the party office.
Yeah.
We saw them parking over here. We saw them parking over here. They wanted to remove the party posters on the car. So all of a sudden, we also approached them that, what is going on? So it became a misunderstanding, and they moved the car out. Actually, after they moved the car out, we all stopped each other so that there's no confusion. From then, the people have gone away already. Other guy where they came to arrest him right now, he haven't done anything. He's not here before the incident happened. So why are they arresting the guy? We don't understand. So they should release the guy before it becomes problem. They came and arrest the guy, which they don't know who caused the problem. The people who caused the problem even gone. So we were shocked. What is going on? So please, let the justice be done. Otherwise,
no otherwise. We're hoping that the election will be peaceful.
The guys we saw first, I had my boss. We saw them. It was Afenyo marking and his boys.
Are you sure of the name you're mentioning? Are you very sure of the name you're mentioning?
I know his guys. The V8.
When you say you know his guys, did you see his face?
I didn't see his guys. I saw his guys.
You saw his guys.
He's just here. They just passed here with their V8.
They push the NDC people. So I pushed one people before and these people pushed my brother. So I sit there for the car. So I said, why? So the V8 wanted to stop here, say you go beat here, and this every ball. Before these people come here, move the V8. The V8 6 pieces, V8, the move V8 come. So NPP member, we stop for the NDC boy. Before this boy, we have the broker. We get to so no.
All right, but it looks like calm to an extent has been restored, even though the supporters of the NDC are not happy. You say you have an issue with them taking off your posters.
They just drop here. There's Justin Kodia, the General Secretary of MP.
Someone says Afenyo Maki. You also say Justin Kodia.
Justin Kodia, I know him. I know his car. I'm in Kotekoli, and I know him. We are in the same constituency. The national head office is in Kotekoli. So I know him, and he drove with his boys. They were taking off our posters, NDC posters, just close to the constituency office, and then we went to approach them, and his bodyguard dropped down to fight our people.
All right. Thank you. So now we know that there's been a bit of calm restored, but we have.